Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1953 Ford F-100. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Again, Ford F-Series is still around today and in the Ford lineup and one of Ford's best sellers. But we're going to look at this 1953 edition of this F-100. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Exterior green, interior is cream, which we'll get to. But before we get to this vehicle too much, I'll just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars, and the other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European vehicles. But back on this beautiful Ford F-100. If you have interest in this car and you're not in Sarasota where we're located, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to about 8 different countries around the world and 19 different US states. So we can certainly get this car shipped to this vehicle shipped to you anywhere in the US. If you have financing needs or would like to finance a vehicle, we can certainly get you classic car financing as well, or we do have some late model lenders as well to get your finance needs. Please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call. Back on this 1953 Ford F-100, see the wood deck and also the wood railings, great touch. The flare fenders, moon hubcaps on this Ford. Again, paint is in excellent condition. Does have one little dent there in the door. Probably get a dentless or paintless, excuse me, dent remover to take care of that. As we look at it, it does have a Flathead V8, or excuse me, Flathead 8-cylinder with a 3 on the tree. Just a beautiful vehicle here. See, it does have aluminum radiator for additional cooling. It's like new exhaust and new fuel pump as well. Just a beautiful vehicle here. Paint is in very good condition. The chrome is in excellent condition. The chrome accents really help the truck stand out. The interior is period correct, straightforward, cream, which goes extremely well with the exterior green. It has upgraded gauges, dolphin gauges, but they are nicely done in the vintage look. They did throw in a JVC radio. Again, just a beautiful vehicle here. We will go ahead and start it up. Get the choke out here. Make sure we're in neutral. Vehicle starts right up. Sounds good, runs very well. Put you back here to exhaust. We don't see any water coming out, no smoke. Just a classic work truck. Beautiful Ford F-100. Again, the F-Series is still in Ford's lineup today and one of their best sellers. Here you can have the 1953 version of Ford pickups. Just a beautiful vehicle here. A lot of times you will see these then resto modded and lowered and on bags potentially, and 350s in it, sometimes a 351, or now they're putting some Coyotes in it. But this here is period correct 1953, just an absolutely stunning vehicle in great condition. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We appreciate you tuning in, and please follow us for future content. Thank you.